It is famous that insanity and madness have a fine line. 40 years ago, a young man holding the finger of drama made his first move on the stage by ripping off this delicate line, while some priest in the theatrical world gave him a welcome agreement and some so-called critics peeping through the frame of their black speck pushed him into a trance of contempt by stating it a few days of vigor, as it is always said, if an unknown person's career or standard work was exposed who is living in an unknown locality, it could be a coincidence, hard work, luck, but not skill. But that young man, regardless of the ridicule of the people, increased his footsteps on constructive parts.
Earlier, in 1982, his father, late Shor Niazi, who was also a well-known scriptwriter of Indian films and had written screenplays for many hit Indian movies, gave him a fountain pen as a gift when he wrote down a drama called Jallianwala Bagh 82 with his friend Aslam Parvez and achieved success at the inter-college level.
असलम परवेज़ ने और इकबाल ने मिलकर एक ड्रामा लिखा जलियांवाला। अच्छा, आपको एक और हैरत की बात बताऊं कि जलियांवाला बाग की थीम जो है उन्होंने सोची और मेरे घर में आकर मुझसे डिस्कस किया और मेरे सामने ही बैठकर उसकी रिहर्सल भी शुरू की कि ऐसा करेंगे वैसा करेंगे, और बाद में उन्होंने ड्रामा बनाया दोनों ने मिलकर, और वो ड्रामा हर वक्त में हिट है।
The same day, a shining star appeared on the horizon of the theatre, whom the world knows today as Iqbal Niazi.
मैं उस वक्त से जानता हूँ जब वो बच्चे थे। उन्होंने मेरे एक ड्रामे में काम किया था जिसका नाम था नौमन चर्बी, और किरदार एकेडमी शायद का वो पहला प्ले था जो उर्दू महाराष्ट्र राज्य नाट्य ये उर्दू में हुआ था, और उसे बेस्ट प्ले और मुझे बेस्ट प्ले राइट का भी अवार्ड मिला था। तो इकबाल साहब से मेरी पहचान उस वक्त से है। सो मुझे लगता था कि भाई ये छोटा मोटा सा सफ़र इकबाल नियाज़ी का 2-4 साल तक रहेगा और ख़त्म हो जाएगा, मगर इकबाल नियाज़ी ने एक बहुत लंबी इनिंग्स खेली।
Iqbal Niazi began his dramatic journey at the age of 14 when he was a student of grade 9. He was in search of a drama for a charity program of the school that his father was associated with. One day, Iqbal Niazi wrote a crude script called Ilm Imarat or Awam and put it in his father's hands. Iqbal Niazi's school teacher Azizur Rahman sir directed the drama, in which his younger sister Taskeen Niazi played the illustrative role of Imarat.
ड्रामे में आखिर में जो है इमारत को अधूरी इमारत जब कोर्ट का सीन है और आखिर में मुझे रोना था, तो मुझे रोना ही नहीं आता था। जब मैं रिहर्सल करती थी तो मुझे बिल्कुल रोना नहीं आता था, बल्कि वही कम उम्री थी तो मुझे हंसी आती थी, मैं हंस देती थी रोने के बजाय। लेकिन जब स्टेज पे वो प्ले हुआ है तो पता नहीं कुदरती तौर पे जो है वो आखिरी सीन में, जब वो सीन है आखिरी और डायलॉग है मेरे कि मुझे मुकम्मल कीजिए हुजूर, मुझे मुकम्मल कीजिए, बस वो बोलते बोलते वो डायलॉग अदा करते करते मैं ज़ारो कतार इस कदर धड़े मार कर रोने लग गई जिसकी कोई हद नहीं। और इस कदर क्लैप, इतनी तालियां बजी है, इतनी तालियां बजी है कि मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती। इस कदर बेहतरीन ड्रामा जो है, पहला ड्रामा जो है इकबाल नियाज़ी मेरे बड़े भाई ने जो लिखे हैं, माशाल्लाह बहुत बहुत ही उम्दा और बहुत ही खूबसूरत ड्रामा था।
The drama was very successful and the purpose for which it was written was also fulfilled. The school received a good donation. Father proudly hugged the son, and on that day, Iqbal Niazi also introduced himself to the potential of the hidden playwright.
Winston Churchill said, "The pessimist sees difficulty in every opportunity. The optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty." Iqbal Niazi never looked back, deciding the ups and downs of his dramatic journey. The folk form of his maestro legendary Habib Tanveer Sahab's plays impressed him greatly. He also completed his research work on Habib Tanveer and his folk theatre. Besides, he also wrote a full-length docudrama Rang Manch Ke Babu, based on the life sketch and work of Habib Tanveer. He worked tirelessly to give Urdu and Hindustani theatre its lost place. However, that period was such that not only Urdu but Hindi dramas were also looked at diagonally. Film and television challenges also put Urdu theatre in lockdown. At that time, even the social media and digital media birds had not made their flights.
In these harsh conditions, it was Iqbal Niazi's courage that he could send 200 to 300 postcards with his own hands to invite people to drama shows. Iqbal Niazi started to create vibrations by hitting pebbles in stagnant water. Even today, countless people accept that it was Iqbal Niazi who planted the fondness of drama in them. He is still doing the noble work of spreading the details of good dramas to the drama audience through social media.
और उनमें एक बहुत अच्छी खूबी क्या है कि अगर कोई नाटक कर रहा है, अगर मेरा नाटक अगर उन्हें पता लगता है तो उस तरह से पब्लिसिटी जैसी कोई बात नहीं करनी होगी. हमें पोस्टर लगा रहे हैं या न्यूज़पेपर में दे रहे हैं. इकबाल साहब अपनी तरफ से भरपूर कोशिश करते हैं कि उसका इश्तिहार हो जाए. बहुत लोगों को बोलते हैं, बहुत लोगों को मैसेज करते हैं. उनमें मैंने एक बात पाई कि वो थिएटर को एक बहुत अहम दर्जा देते हैं.
According to Iqbal Niazi, drama teaches to make eye contact with the society, not to steal the eyes from it.
And adhering to this, he bid farewell to traditional, trampled themes of Urdu drama and replaced them with dramas written by contemporary writers like Krishna Chandra, Manto, Ismat Chugtai, Salam bin Razak, Sajid Rashid, Surendra Prakash, and Sagar Sarhadi, and shown the audience that this is today's Urdu theatre, which is fearlessly making eye contacts with its peers as well as our society.
In this way, Iqbal Niazi rose from the steps of traditional classical dramas to the stage of modern drama and staged over 200 dramas and its 4,000 shows across India. But these 4,000 shows contain the tune of his 40 years of hard work and cultivation, which does not let him sit low. It was no less than an honor that his contemporaries and advisories also acknowledged that Iqbal Niazi always added something new to his dramas, and as an experiment which eventually emerged out as an innovation of which the rest of the world follows.
Iqbal Niazi worked as a columnist in various Urdu newspapers for 9 years. For the first time, comments, articles and interviews on Urdu, Hindi, Marathi dramas were published in Urdu newspapers. His columns Aks Bar Aks and Rang Darshan became very popular, in which he garnered over 400 articles on Urdu dramas and theatre. His efforts are of great importance in creating an atmosphere of Urdu dramas and connecting the spectators.
40 years ago, Iqbal Niazi founded the theatre group called Kirdar Art Academy. As it is always said, the boss says go while the leader says let's go. Iqbal Niazi has never been seen as the chairman or creative director of a Kirdar, but as a leader.
मुझे याद है तकरीबन 1985 में जब इसने किरदार आर्ट एकेडमी के ताल्लुक़ से हमसे रब्ता किया तो उस वक्त उसके जज्बे को देखते हुए, उसके कामों को देखते हुए हमने सोचा कि इस शख्स के अंदर एक जुनून है. वो चाहता है कि उर्दू ज़बान, अदब और ड्रामे के ज़रिए से वो कुछ खिदमत करे अपनी ज़बान की, इस ज़बान की.
उनका जो ग्रुप है किरदार, बस उनसे ही उनका पूरा
and many more.
मैं इकबाल नियाज़ी साहब का बहुत कायल हूँ। एक तो वो मुसलसल ये जो कोशिश कर रहे हैं ड्रामा करने की और ड्रामा ऑर्गेनाइज करने की, लोगों को बुलाने की, बाहर से यूनिट लोग आते हैं, बहुत से लोग बहुत से ग्रुप शोज़ करते हैं, इतना मुश्किल काम है और आज के दौर में इकट्ठा करना और मुश्किल काम है।
He has started the unique concept of musical storytelling of most acclaimed poet of Indian golden era by the series called Dastan. At present, Dastan-e-Nazir, Dastan-e-Kaifi, Dastan-e-Kabir, Dastan-e-Majaz, Dastan-e-Ghalib included in his repertory, which has received great appreciation by the spectators.
इकबाल साहब के या इकबाल नियाज़ी की एक खुसूसियत मैं कह सकती हूँ, वो ये है कि उन्होंने लिटरेचर के साथ साथ थिएटर को जोड़ा है। लिटरेचर की समझ है, इसलिए थिएटर और बेहतर तरीके से वो उसको अंजाम दे पाते हैं।
The characters of his play are seen keeping us connected with all times. Today, about 150 actors are associated with the Kirdar group, and Iqbal Niazi, like a gardener, is working tirelessly day and night to sow the seeds of the drama in the new generation. Very few people would be aware that apart from drama, Iqbal Niazi did anchoring in musical stage shows and also formed a group called Shano Musical, which has organized 90 themes-based musical shows on renowned singers, music directors and lyricists to gain monetary support, which he spent on building a bridge between stage, drama and lack of funds.
Absolutely knowledgeable. He knows exactly what he is talking about. Any subject given to him, any concept which we put up, he is so thoroughly prepared. Not only that, he is so funny, and on the spot जो बात करते हैं, जैसे शेर व शायरी करते हैं, उनका तो वो मतलब वो क्या बताऊं मैं। मेरे साथ उन्होंने 10-15 एंकरिंग किए हुए हैं, जिसमें मैं तो कहता हूं कि ऐसा कोई है नहीं जो मैं बता सकता हूं। हर एक शो उन्होंने बेहतरीन से निभाए हैं।
Iqbal Niazi's 6 drama books have been published in Urdu, which include 10 रंगी तमाशे, सब ठीक है, एक नई उड़ान, गिरगिट और दूसरे ड्रामे, हम सिर्फ कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते हैं, and children's 100 stage plays. His book titled Sab Theek Hai, a collection of award-winning plays, was awarded the prize from Maharashtra Rajya Urdu Sahitya Academy. An award was conferred upon him by the West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh Urdu Academy for his book titled 10 Rangi Tamashe.
His several books are under publications, which includes
Hota Hai Shab Roz drama Mere Aage,
Ye Kiska Lahu Hai, Kaun Mara, compilation of 8 plays,
Urdu drama Urdu theatre, compilation of articles and columns on the theatre,
Backstage Par Zindagi, collection of poems,
Chuntiyan, The Ant, collection of 100 microfictions, short stories in English and Urdu languages, drama workshop and street plays,
book on Marathi stage dramas,
Habib Tanveer, Fun aur Shakhsiyat,
Urdu stage par musical Dastan Goi, collection of 4 musical storytelling.
The reputed Indian magazine Takmil Quarterly has published a special issue on personality and work of Iqbal Niazi, consisting of 700 pages which comprise of essays and views of renowned personalities from film and theatre fraternity.
इकबाल नियाज़ी साहब बड़े परम मित्र हैं और बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान हैं, और मैं ये मानता हूँ कि जो आदमी थिएटर के लिए इतना समय देता है, इतना योगदान देता है, वो अच्छा इंसान तो अपने आप होगा ही।
He has adapted 4 plays of American playwright Neil Simon into Hindustani language. More above, he has adapted 5 plays from Marathi into Hindustani. Apart from this, he has dramatized many Urdu and Hindi short stories into stage plays.
Iqbal Niazi is honored with more than 85 awards on national, state and regional sphere.
The Ghalib Award was conferred upon him at the national level in 2013.
Iqbal Niazi has received All India Best Playwright Award for his Urdu play Jallianwala Bagh 89 from Sahitya Kala Parishad, New Delhi in the year 1989.
He was selected by the Maharashtra State Urdu Academy for Sahir Ludhianvi Award in 1996 for New Talent of Maharashtra.
Maharashtra Lok Kalyankari Seva Sanstha, a leading Marathi organization, has awarded Maharashtra Lok Ratna Award to him for his services and contribution to Urdu theatre and drama.
Majroo Academy, Mumbai, has awarded the prestigious Majroo Award to him for his immense contribution to Urdu drama and theatre. In the year 2010, he was awarded the prestigious Maharashtra Gaurav Puruskar and Rashtriya Ekatmata Fellowship to promote Urdu drama and theatre. This state-level award was given by a Marathi organization, Bharatiya Samaj Vikas Academy. The prestigious Pune Festival conferred upon him the Aga Hashar Kashmiri State Award in a grand ceremony held at Pune in the year 2011. The Writers and Journalists Association, Mumbai, and Vast Multimedia, Hindi and Marathi newspaper group conferred upon him the Maharashtra Sahitya Gaurav Patra Award in September 2011.
Another feather on his cap is the Habib Tanveer Award, presented to him by prestigious luminaries of Burhanpur.
He has won the Best Writer and Directors Award for 3 consecutive years in the Maharashtra State Urdu Drama Competition.
He also won the Best Scriptwriter Award from IPTA Mumbai and Mumbai Hindi Vidya Peeth, Bharati Vidya Bhavan, Gujarat University and Hindi Ekanki Spardha in Bareilly, UP.
Maharashtra Teacher Educational and Welfare Society, Bhusawal, Jalgaon, awarded him the Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Best Active Teacher Award.
In November 2017, he received the Maharashtra Urdu Academy Award for his altruistic and compassionate service towards Urdu language.
He has received 5 Lifetime Achievement Awards from various reputed institutions during 2019-2020 for his 40 years of dedicated selfless services in field of art, culture and literature.
तो जिस तरह से शोर इनके वालिद शोर नियाज़ी साहब शायरी की दुनिया में शोर मचाते थे, इस तरह से आज इकबाल नियाज़ी ड्रामों की दुनिया में शोर मचा रहे हैं.
Iqbal Niazi was honored to be invited as a judge by numerous prestigious and reputed institutions to assess plays in Hindi, Urdu and English at All India Drama competitions. During the lockdown period from 2020 to 2021, 10 different literary and theatrical organizations at national sphere invited him on live online platform as a chief guest and had taken detailed interviews on different aspects of Hindustani drama and theatre.
ऐसा है शिवा साहिबा के शुरू में तो बड़ा मामला डिस्करेजिंग रहा, बहुत ही हौसला शिकनी की गई कि अरे क्या करोगे तुम उर्दू ड्रामे के लिए काम करके, उर्दू थिएटर के लिए करके, कुछ होने वाला नहीं है, आगा हशर करके चले गए, क्या कौन बाकी रहा. तो इस तरह के मतलब बहुत ही डिस्करेजिंग कलमात जो है वो सुनने में आते थे.
कहते हैं ना जब आप कोई काम शुरू करेंगे किसी काम तब ऐसे तो हम
इस तरह के लोग मिलते ही हैं, लेकिन मैंने हिम्मत नहीं हारी.
Iqbal Niazi taught Urdu to over 80 non-Urdu artists without charging a penny and connected more than 200 artists to Hindustani theatre.
हाथ पकड़े, ये सब कौन सा श्रृंगार है? कि फिजिकली मिले, लेकिन एक ऐसा है कि दूर चला गया है.
Today, those actors are spreading the colors of their success in films, on TV and on stage and express their gratitude whenever they get an opportunity.
वैसे तो उनके बारे में कितना भी कुछ कहो उतना कम है, क्योंकि हमारे इकबाल नियाज़ी सर कुछ है ही ऐसे लाजवाब है. वो अच्छे गुरु तो है ही, साथ ही साथ एक बेहतरीन इंसान है, हमारे यार है, हमारे दोस्त है, हमारे पिता है. ऑल इन वन पैकेज कहते हैं ना, वही है.
To my experience, he is a very humble, cooperative, thorough gentleman and down-to-earth person. The best part of him, he gives opportunity to fresh artists to perform on stage in theatre plays. Not only this, he never charges any fees for training new actors.
इकबाल सर की तारीफ करना यानी सूरज को रोशनी दिखाने जैसा है. चाहे आंधी आए, तूफान आए, सर का एक ही मोटो है, द शो मस्ट गो ऑन.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अभिषेक शेट्टी है. मैं
Iqbal Niazi is like a historic building whose foundation is covered by his blood and sweat. Today, on his strong shoulders, the high-rise building of Kirdar Art Academy stands for the last 40 years, whose stability is increasing day by day.
The fountain pen given as a gift by his father has never dried yet and is still doing a great job of spreading a new ray of thought on the paper through his creative abilities. People say that Iqbal Niazi is the mastermind of dramas, but in reality, he is a river flowing from the confluence of Urdu literature, culture, art and drama, which with a great flow and purity joins the creative sea, and those who drowned in this sea come out with a great creativity and ability to conquer the world.
पर्दा खुलने पर तालियों की कोई अहमियत नहीं। मज़ा तो तब आता है जब पर्दा गिर रहा हो और तालियां बज रही हो।